Hi there, it's a brand new week. I'm here with all the buzzers in trade today. If you look at the benchmark indices, they've given up their morning gains at this point in time. Both of them, the Sensex as well as Nifty, both are trading in the negative territory. Your broader markets, mid cap and the small caps, are the ones that's leading the chart. Small cap index is up over 4% in trade. The star performer today's trading session is your IT index. That is following the small cap index is your IT index that's actually surging in trade today. IT index has hit a record high level. All the constituents on the index are surging in trade, led by HCL Tech. That particular counter is surging in trade, up 10% intraday, and this is the record high levels that HCL Tech has hit. It's gained most in over 19 weeks, and there is a reason for this sort of up move coming in HCL Tech is that the company has informed the exchanges on their Q2 performance, and it's a bullish commentary that's come from the HCL Tech management. HCL Tech has informed the exchanges that it expects their revenue as well as operating margin, EBIT margin for September quarter to be meaningfully better than the top end of the guidance that they had given in the month of in July while they announced their Q1 earnings. The company said that they expect the Q2 revenue growth to be over 3.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis in the constant currency terms. They also have said that they are expecting their EBIT margin for the current quarter, that's Q2, to be between 20.5 to 21%. They also stated that the pipeline continues to be healthy. They also said that they're seeing good booking momentum that is being continued in Q2 as well. And that's one of the reasons why HCL Tech is surging in trade, aiding the Nifty IT index as well. Let me talk about Infosys then. The IT bellwether also has surged to a record high level on back of acquisition. Infosys has announced that they are going to acquire Guide Vision for up to 30 million euros in an all-cash deal. Guide Vision is a leading ServiceNow elite partner in Europe, and Infosys expects to close this particular transaction in Q3 of FY21. The IT major is up for a third straight session and is up over 6% in the last 5 days. And today also a very strong performance coming in from Infosys at record high levels. Let me move from the large cap IT space to the mid cap IT space, and that's Persistent that's surging in trade. Persistent has surged over 13% intraday. It is surged most in over 10 years. The stock is perched at the record high levels because the company reported that they have entered into a global alliance with Activisio to help enterprises with data stack modernization and acceleration of digital transformation initiatives. That's one of the reasons why Persistent is surging in trade today as well. The stock is up for a third straight session and is up almost 99% in the last 52 weeks. Let me move on to AstraZeneca. The stock is surging in trade today, saw an up move of about 11% in the morning trade. This is after the company's parent, AstraZeneca PLC, received a go-ahead from UK MHRA over the weekend to resume the clinical trials for Oxford COVID-19 vaccine in UK. The stock has gained over 90% in the last 52 weeks, is up 30% in the last 30 days. REITs has surged over 7% intraday, more since April 16th. The PSU Engineering Services Company informed that the board will be meeting on September 18th to consider buyback of shares. The stock is up for a third straight session, and it has hit today its highest level since August 19th. Apart from that, you have a slew of mid caps and small caps that are surging in trade today on back of that mega multi-cap fund clarification and the circular that came from the SEBI. On back of that, you have various mid-cap companies that are surging. You have PNB Housing that's up for a 9th straight session. You have Page Industries that's up most in 12 weeks. You also have Ashok Leyland that's up most in over 6 months. It's up over 9%. L&T Technologies most in 19 weeks. Balkrishna Industries up over 6%. That's most in 15 weeks, as well as Avanti Feeds is surging in trade. So you have slew of mid-cap companies and your small-cap companies that are actually rallying in trade today. But when you look at the benchmarks is has given up its morning gains.